Yo, what is going on? It is Tuesday, May 12th, 10:14 a.m., graduation day. As you can see why I'm all fitted and shit. Buzz down Rolly. Psych, not plain Jane. But today we did take a trade. Got fucking obliterated by NQ. Not obliterated, but touched fondled with by NQ. Fucking bitch. So, was a break-even trade, and I'm gonna get into it because it was a very, 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 very great trade. It's just a very unfortunate outcome. And then I'll get into this one. So it's just going to be a quick video. I have stuff to do. Obviously got graduation today. So yeah. So coming into the day, we had this 1 hour above. We had London high above. There were a bunch of equal highs like all throughout here. They're obviously taken now. So they're not going to show. But this was right here. We had these equal highs, right? And originally what I wanted was this 930. So 930 opened lower, and I wanted to get this 1 minute inverse, but on the 1 minute candle, and I was going to TP at the 930 at these equal highs. But as you can see, this candle took the 930 wick, which was my break even point. So I wouldn't have gotten my entry. However, I had to rush and hurry up to go into this other setup that I seen, which was a 30-second gap right here. Go and break even at these initial equal highs. So boom, limit gets filled on this candle. I'm sorry. Where's it at? No. Hold up. Let me pull up this one. I had my stops a little bit lower. Had my stops right here. Okay. I had my stops like right here. Right. So limit gets filled. So this candle had already came down, went back up, and I was still trying to manage risk because it had happened so quickly, correct? Wait, low-key, did that even inverse on? Damn, wait, that shit didn't even inverse on NQ. Yo, I'm wildin', chat. This one inversed, but this one didn't. I'm wildin', chat. Oh, shit. Yeah, I wouldn't have gotten in. I wouldn't have even taken this low key. Anyways, I already took it. I can't really do much. So that upper 30-second inversed where we then, yeah, and get filled, breaks me even, and then sprints to TP. So we got all the way up here. I'm obviously already going to be break even because we had this 1 hour gap above. There was another set of equal highs like in between here somewhere. I went break even at the first ones. Stops me out, sprints to London high. All the way up to London high. My target was just this 1 hour gap. London high ran up to. And then we had this trade down here after a huge sell-off, correct? Like we sold off. London high top ticked. Sell off 100. How many? Damn near 200 points, right? Let's just say 180 points. No, 200, yeah. 200 points. We had a 4 hour gap right here on both assets. I want to see this gap get filled, and then I'll take something into this 5 minute right here. Once this gap gets filled, however, we created kind of not really an SMT. It got broken, actually, yeah. Relative equal lows down here. We start trending upwards, but I still want to see at least one of these assets get into this 4 hour gap. We don't, so I don't take the trade, and the trade would have stop loss. Now, would I have gone break even? How many points is this? 13, so it's 0.75. Nah, I probably would have went break even. Nah, yeah, I would have held it through. I would have went break even at least 1-1. That would have been break even. Okay. But I didn't take it because I wanted to see this, excuse me, this 4 hour gap get tapped into. And yeah, I more so would have wanted a retrace into the 5 with a gap down here to target the 4 hour gap. Didn't get either, but it's 10-18, man. I'll just take my break even today. Honestly, I didn't know that this trade didn't close this 30-second gap. Honestly, I still could have taken it because there was another set of equal highs up here and still this 1 hour gap. I just would have been stopped out had I done that. Okay, we made it out with break even today. Damn, wait, so this really inverted here. Oh, was it a 1 minute or something? So the 1 minute had already inverted before. Am I tripping? There's no way I'm tripping like this. I'm tripping like that. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. But yeah, just gonna, yeah, that's the end of today again. Break even day, made like $5 across each account, like 530. There's not much more I would want to see today. Would have to fucking pump at least another 200 points, which I think AM session's about to die out. Let's check the volume. Nah, volume's still decent. Sort of dying out. Not really though. But yeah, that's it for today, man. Peace, love, positivity. That's all that I have to show for. Gotta go graduate now, man. Yeah. I fucking hate school, bro. I wish I was, not I wish, but I gotta keep working harder, man, to become profitable. So, yeah. Peace out.